What do you prioritize? This is an extremely important question to ask yourself on a consistent basis. What are you really putting first in your life? Is it your family, your friends, your work, your spirituality, or something else? What really is the most important thing to you, and what really is the order that you rank the different areas of your life by? Make a list, write it down. Make it clear to yourself what truly is important, what really matters to you, what is fulfilling to you. You see, a lot of people say that they prioritize family or work, yet most of their time goes into entertainment. Some people say that they want to grow and expand and learn new skills, but they don't put their self-education first. They let distractions get in the way, or maybe they spend too much time around their friends. So it's really critical and crucial that you make it obvious to yourself what it is that you're prioritizing. When you have a list and you've ranked the areas of your life in order of importance rather, then it becomes really easy to look at your schedule, look at your day, look at your week, your month, and your year, and say, okay, how much time will I dedicate to each priority? What really comes first? It should be put first, right? So for me, my self-improvement is a high priority. In that case, I would put my self-improvement first thing in the day, right? It makes sense. If it's your priority, you would do it first, and then other things come after. For me, a priority is my business, so I would put coaching calls and, making content and marketing and that kind of effort high up on the schedule, high up on the priority list. See, if you're not prioritizing, if you're not really taking the time to make it clear to yourself what's important, you will just sort of slip into the stream, and it will be automatic, unconscious. Other people will set your priorities for you. The entertainment industry is happy to sell you another month's subscription of Netflix because they make money, right? If you spend a lot of time just binging TV shows or doing anything that's very consumer related, they make money. So they have an incentive to really keep you hooked, right? And so if you don't set your intention, somebody else will take your attention. Set your intention, or your attention will be stolen away from you, because you can't really focus and make progress and move forward so long as you're drifting and you don't have clarity. Clarity is the key. When you prioritize, you gain clarity, and that's why it makes your life so much easier. That's why it makes progress so much easier. See, when you don't know what's important, you get dragged off really easily because you're not firm, you don't have values, and so it's really easy to just pull you away. If somebody asks for a favor, you're likely to comply, not because you want to help, but because you don't have anything better to do and you feel guilty because you're not that valuable and why not help somebody, and so you'll slip into their agenda. Now that doesn't mean that you should never help somebody. Of course, if they're important to you, by all means. But what I am saying is that you should be in charge of your agenda if you want to reach your goals in life. If you want to be successful, whatever that means to you, whatever that looks like to you. But if you don't have your priorities straight, it's really easy to keep slipping and sliding and stumbling over yourself and wondering why I'm stuck and I don't know what's going on, and it's this cloudy space in your mind, again, because you're lacking clarity. So writing it down, even dropping it in the comments down below to gain some accountability, really helps. Just by being clear, what are you prioritizing? Let's just say for the rest of the month, the rest of the week, even till the end of the year. What's important to you? What really matters? Where do you want progress? And when you have that list and you look at it every day, you can ask yourself, okay, what can I do today to make some progress here? Doesn't have to be the most complex thing. If it's health, it's simple. You know what to do, right? You want to eat better? Great, go for it. Awesome. If you want to improve in any skill, you know you have to practice. It's simple. Yet people look at mastery like some mystical thing, this incredible power that somebody has gained. But it's just repetition. it's actually kind of boring the way that you achieve success. It's not glamorous. We make it seem like this huge deal when really it's just a simple daily routine. Me making videos every day makes me good at making videos. Makes sense, who would have thought, right? So me going on the coaching call every day or coaching multiple clients every day makes me an even better coach. Incredible, and that translates into me being a better speaker. Interesting how that all combines, right? If I play more guitar and spend more time practicing chords and singing, then I become better. Who would have thought, right? And it's so simple, but when we don't prioritize and we're not clear on what really matters to us and we don't schedule out our days and we just kind of stumble through life, then it becomes really challenging. And we make it difficult on ourselves. See, the world in and of itself is a beautiful place and there's a lot of opportunity. And if you want to make progress and if you want to succeed, it's all available for you. But you have to take charge, and you can only do that when you know what's important to you. So get your priorities straight. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload. And if you'd like to experience a real breakthrough and some massive progress in your life, sign up for coaching. It's in the bottom left of your screen right now. If you click on that, you'll go to my website and you can book a free consultation to get us started.